Welcome back, students. In this session, we will discuss symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrix. Let us know what is definition of symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix or a square matrix A. First of all, it should be a square matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric. A square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric if condition is if A transpose equal to A. A square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. If this condition is verified, then we can say that A is symmetric. Tell me one example. It should be A transpose equal to A. For example, that should be a symmetric matrix. 2 9 3 9 2 1 3 1 minus 3. Clearly it is a symmetric matrix. I will write one more example. Matrix A equal to 1 4 4 9. It is also a symmetric matrix. Without verifying A transpose equal to A, we can conclude whether given matrix is symmetric or not. Just look at their non-diagonal elements. In a symmetric matrix, corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal. 3 equal to 3, 1 equal to 1. If a matrix is symmetric, then its corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal. Then clearly we conclude it is symmetric. Just look at their non-diagonal elements. Corresponding non-diagonal elements. 4 equal to 4 means it is symmetric. We will write one more example. 0 minus 1 2 4 2 minus 9 3 4 3 1. Clearly it is a symmetric matrix. Why? Because corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal. Just look at their non-diagonal elements. In a matrix, corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal, then we conclude it is symmetric matrix. Definition is a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A or A equal to A transpose. It is definition of a symmetric matrix. Next one, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. What is the definition of a skew symmetric matrix? Definition of symmetric is A transpose equal to A. Definition of skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix capital A. First of all, A should be a square matrix. A square matrix capital A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if, what is condition? If A transpose equal to minus A. A square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric if, not symmetric. A square matrix capital A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Then what is example? I will write one example. 0 9 3 minus 9 0 plus 4 minus 3 minus 4 0. Clearly it is symmetric matrix. I will write one more example. Matrix A 0 9 minus 4 minus 9 0 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4 0. Clearly it is also a skew symmetric matrix. Just look at their non-diagonal elements. In skew symmetric matrix, clearly all diagonal elements are equal to 0. In skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 0. Non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Corresponding non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Then we can say that given matrix is skew symmetric. Corresponding non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Corresponding non-diagonal. Here we have plus 3, then this element is minus 3. Here we have minus 4, this is plus 4. Corresponding non-diagonal elements. Corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal with opposite sign. And clearly all diagonal elements are equal to 0. Such matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. All diagonal elements are equal to 0, non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Such matrix is skew symmetric matrix. In symmetric matrix, corresponding non-diagonal elements are equal. In skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 0. In symmetric, all diagonal elements need not to be 0. But in skew symmetric, all diagonal elements should be equal to 0. Corresponding non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Such matrices are skew symmetric matrices. I will write one more example. Matrix A equal to 0 minus 8 plus 8 0. Clearly it is also a skew symmetric matrix. Clearly all diagonal elements are equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Corresponding non-diagonal elements equal with opposite sign. Then we conclude given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. No need to verify whether A transpose equal to minus A or not. Just look at the matrix, then conclude. Now, after knowing definition of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, now tell me an example of a matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. Give an example of a matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. Tell me such example. This matrix is symmetric but not skew symmetric. In this example, this is skew symmetric but not symmetric. Then, give an example of a matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. It is example. Example is all null matrices are both symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. You can write any null matrix. Clearly it is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Null matrix of order 2 cross 2. Clearly this matrix is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. I will write one more example. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is both symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. All null matrices are both symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Give an example of a matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Then simply write any null matrix. Any null matrix. Null matrix is always both symmetric and skew symmetric. Next. Theorem number 1. For any square matrix, capital A, prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric, means symmetric matrix. For any square matrix capital A, prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric. It is one of the very important 2-mark question. For any square matrix capital A, prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric or symmetric matrix. Proof. Let us consider, take this as one matrix, that is some other matrix B, or take it as C. I will take it as B. B is equal to A plus A transpose. We need to prove this matrix is symmetric. What is the definition of symmetric matrix? Definition of symmetric matrix is a square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric if A equal to A transpose. So, taking transpose on both the sides, B transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose, taking transpose on both the sides. After that, B transpose remains as it is. In RHS, we have property. What is A plus B whole transpose? A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. So, A plus A transpose whole transpose, just like A plus B whole transpose. A transpose, treat A transpose as B. A transpose plus A transpose of transpose, just treat A transpose as matrix B. It is just like A plus B whole transpose. Why? Because A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. After that, B transpose equal to A transpose remains as it is, plus what is A transpose of transpose? A transpose of transpose is matrix A only, because we have property A transpose of transpose is always A. After that, I will write B transpose equal to A plus A transpose instead of A transpose plus A, because matrix addition is commutative. Addition of two matrices. Matrix addition is commutative, means A plus B is same as B plus A. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, but matrix addition is commutative. So A transpose plus A value is same as A plus A transpose. Now B transpose equal to, what is A plus A transpose? From the consideration, or else take it as equation number 1. From equation number 1, what is A plus A transpose? From equation number 1, A plus A transpose is matrix B, means B transpose equal to B. Just look at the definition of symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. If A transpose equal to A, then we conclude A is symmetric. In this case, B transpose equal to B means clearly matrix B is symmetric. Therefore, matrix B is symmetric. Matrix B is symmetric. Matrix B is symmetric means, what is matrix B? Look at equation number 1. Matrix B is nothing but A plus A transpose is symmetric. This is our required proof. If A for any square matrix, suppose A be any square matrix, then A plus A transpose is always symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Next one. Next, theorem number 2. For any square matrix, capital A, for any square matrix capital A, prove that A transpose into A is symmetric. We need to prove A transpose into A is symmetric matrix. Same procedure. Proof. Let us take A transpose into A as one matrix B. B equal to A transpose into A. Take it as equation number 1. After that, taking transpose on both the sides. B transpose, taking transpose on both the sides. A transpose into A whole transpose. Taking transpose on both the sides. After that, B transpose as it is. Here apply A into B whole transpose property. It is just like A into B. We have property. What is A into B whole transpose? A into B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So I will write A transpose into A transpose of transpose. It is just because of A into B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. It is just like A into B. In this case, A is A transpose and B is A. So it will be B transpose into A transpose. In this case, A is A transpose. Therefore, B transpose equal to A transpose into A transpose of transpose is A only. Why? Because we have property A transpose of transpose is A. Then B transpose equal to A transpose into A. Now look at equation number 1. This is nothing but B transpose equal to, what is A transpose into A? A transpose into A is B only. Means B transpose equal to B means, by definition of symmetric matrix, B transpose equal to B means clearly B is symmetric. Implies B is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. B is symmetric means, what is B? A transpose into A. A transpose into A is symmetric matrix. This is our required point. Suppose A is any square matrix, then prove that A transpose into A is symmetric. Clearly, A transpose into A is symmetric. Similarly, A into A transpose is also symmetric. If A be any square matrix, then A into A transpose is also symmetric. Next theorem. Theorem number 3. Let A and B be symmetric matrices. Let capital A and capital B be symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices of same order. Symmetric matrices of same order. Then prove that AB plus BA is symmetric matrix or simply it is symmetric. Clearly given. What is given? Matrix A and matrix B both are symmetric matrices. A and B are symmetric, then prove that AB plus BA is symmetric. Proof. What is given? Given that A is symmetric. What is meaning of A is symmetric? A is symmetric means A equal to A transpose or A transpose equal to A. And one more condition is B transpose equal to B. Why? Because both A and B are symmetric matrices. If A is symmetric, then A transpose equal to A. Suppose B is symmetric, then B transpose equal to B. It is from the given data. Given that both A and B are symmetric matrices, so A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. Why? Because both A and B are symmetric matrices. Now we need to prove AB plus BA is symmetric. This matrix AB plus BA is one matrix. AB plus BA is also symmetric matrix. Let us take AB plus BA as some other matrix instead of A and B. I will take it as C. Matrix C is nothing but AB plus BA. Now taking transpose on both the sides, C transpose equal to AB plus BA whole transpose. C transpose remains as it is. Now it is just like A plus B whole transpose. AB is one matrix, BA is another matrix. A plus B whole transpose, that is A transpose. It is just like A plus B plus BA whole transpose. It is because of A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. In this case, AB is one matrix, take it as matrix A. BA is another matrix, take it as B. It is just like A plus B whole transpose, so A transpose plus B transpose. Instead of A, we have AB. Instead of B, we have BA. Next, C transpose equal to. Here apply A into B whole transpose property, that is B transpose into A transpose, plus here also again use A into B whole transpose property, then we get A transpose into B transpose, implies C transpose equal to, I will write B transpose as B only. I will write B transpose as B and A transpose as A. Why? Because both A and B are symmetric matrices. So B transpose is B and A transpose is A only, plus A B implies C transpose equal to, I will write BA plus AB as AB plus BA. Why? Because matrix addition is commutative. It is like A plus B is same as B plus A. It is because of A into B whole transpose. So here A into B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose property. Here, why? Because A plus B is same as B plus A. So now look at AB plus BA. Now look at page number 1. What is AB plus BA? From the consideration AB plus BA is matrix C, means C transpose equal to C. Then what you conclude? C transpose equal to C means we conclude C is symmetric. Implies C is symmetric. C is symmetric means what is C? C is nothing but AB plus BA. C is symmetric. Therefore, AB plus BA is symmetric. This is our required proof. Next, for any square matrix capital A, prove that A minus A transpose. For any square matrix capital A, prove that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Fourth one. For any square matrix capital A, prove that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Again same procedure only. Let us take A minus A transpose as one matrix B. Let B equal to A minus A transpose. Taking transpose on both the sides, B transpose equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. Then B transpose equal to, just apply A minus B whole transpose property. It will be A transpose minus A transpose of transpose. Why? Because we have property A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So A minus A transpose whole transpose can be written as A transpose minus A transpose of transpose. Implies B transpose equal to A transpose remains as it is, middle minus. What is A transpose of transpose? It is A only. Why? Because we have property A transpose of transpose is A. Next, B transpose equal to, just rearrangement, I will take negative sign common, means minus 1 common. Just rewrite it, then we get minus of A minus A transpose. In this, taking negative sign common, if you multiply minus 1, again we get A transpose minus A 1. Now B transpose equal to, now look at equation number 1 or our consideration. A minus A transpose means B. What is A minus A transpose? A minus A transpose is B only, minus negative sign remains as it is, this is B. Now B transpose equal to minus B, then what you conclude about matrix B? B transpose equal to minus B means clearly B is skew symmetric matrix. By definition of skew symmetric matrix, a square matrix A is said to be symmetric, skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus B. In this case, B transpose equal to minus B, then we conclude B is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. B is skew symmetric means A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. This is also important for 2 mark. For any square matrix, prove that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. This theorem also important for 2 mark. Next theorem. Let A and B be symmetric matrices. In this case, again A and B be symmetric matrices of same order. Then prove that AB minus BA. Then prove that AB minus BA is skew symmetric. In this case also clearly here both A and B are symmetric matrices. A is symmetric means A transpose equal to A. B is also symmetric, so B transpose equal to B. Given data is A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. Let us take AB minus BA as one matrix C. AB minus BA as one matrix C. Take it as equation number 1. Taking transpose on both the sides, instead of positive side we have negative side. Then C transpose equal to AB minus BA whole transpose. After that same property, instead of A plus B whole transpose, it will be A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Then replace positive side as negative side. It is just like A minus B whole transpose. It is A transpose minus B transpose. After that, here apply A into B whole transpose property. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Means we get AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Middle negative sign as it is. Then BA transpose can be written as A transpose into B transpose. After this, what is B transpose? Clearly B transpose is B only. Why? Because both A and B are symmetric matrices. So I will write B transpose as B and A transpose as A. Why? Because both A and B are symmetric matrices. So write B transpose as B, A transpose as A. Then we get BA minus AB. After this, C transpose equal to, just take negative sign or taking minus 1 common. On taking minus 1 common, we get AB minus BA. Now look at equation number 1. What is AB minus BA? AB minus BA is nothing but matrix C. Negative sign remains as it is. C transpose equal to minus C. Then what you conclude about matrix C? C transpose equal to minus C means clearly matrix C is skew symmetric. Implies C is skew symmetric. C is skew symmetric. C is skew symmetric means AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Suppose A and B are symmetric matrices, then AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. This is one of the very important results. Thank you.